Hi, good evening, guys. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity. So I introduce myself in front of you. This is Santosh Sharma. I am 27 years old. Moreover, I graduated from University of Delhi. I holding 8 years of experience in our pharma line. Currently, I am working with Closer Technology as a purchase executive. I am holding certificate of computer application as well. I have good knowledge of computer and MS Office, Excel, mails, etc. My hobbies is reading books by writing. Thank you for listening me. My card is cat. That cat is named David. That's it.